At this point, it looks like two lines are placed neatly, side by side, right? Working with mother of pearl requires a lot of patience. Apply the resin thoroughly to the area you will be working on. Then, divide it into 4 sections to create a square shape. Since the surface is not flat, the mother of pearl must be cut into short pieces so that it can adhere properly across the entire surface. Once the square is complete, cure it under the UV lamp. Next, I'll add an X shape to complete the Gukwaman pattern. You can also begin with a cross shape instead. Mother of pearl and resin can frequently stick to the flat knife, making them difficult to remove. For smoother work, keep the blade clean and sharp at all times. Finish creating the X shape, and then cure it onto the lamp. Now, let's work on another hair clip. Carefully adjust the pieces so that the lines remain straight, and follow the curve of the clip. Continue curing each piece under the lamp, taking out the previous one and rotating them as you work. The most efficient method is to work on one clip while another is curing. The pattern turned out nicely, didn't it? Now, cure it under the lamp. Next, I'll continue working on the line design.
An island breeze, a gentle sway, the golden light at end of day. The sand is warm beneath our feet as ocean waves in rhythm beat. The sun descends, a fiery glow, painting skies with hues that flow. Palm trees whisper songs of ease. In paradise we're set to please. Feel the sun, let worries fade. In this moment we have it made. On the shore, just you and me, living life so wild and free. Cool drinks in hand, a soft embrace, lazy hours in this tranquil place. Laughter mingles with the tide, savoring closeness side by side. stand still in this embrace. No rush, no race, just a gentle pace. Peace surrounds like oceans hum. In this bliss, we've just begun. The stars appear, the night begins. We toast to love and all that wins. Under moonlight, soft and bright, our paradise through day and night.
Now, let's start working on the other side. I'm going to add a cloud design to this side. Because of the curved surface of the hair clip, I cut the cloud-shaped mother-of-pearl into smaller pieces as well. I place leaf-shaped mother-of-pearl pieces on the upper part of the clip handle. Finally, apply a clean finishing layer of resin over the fully cured pieces and cure them once more. And that completes the entire process. A beautiful hair clip inspired by Korean culture is now complete. Thank you for watching. See you again next time.